Good morning. Welcome to Fresh Mart. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you looking for anything specific today?
Yes, I need some fruits and vegetables, mainly.
Sure, we have fresh fruits and vegetables today.
That's great. I'll start with fruits.
Which fruits would you like?
Do you have apples?
Yes, we have Red Delicious, Fuji, and Gala apples.
Hmm, I think I'll try Fuji apples. How much are they?
They are $3 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 2 pounds. Are they fresh?
Very fresh, just delivered this morning.
Perfect. I'll take them then.
Great choice. Do you want me to put them in a bag?
Yes, please. Paper bag is fine.
Here you go. Anything else from fruits?
Bananas, too. Are they ripe?
Yes, they are perfectly ripe for eating.
I'll take 1 dozen, please.
Excellent. Do you want any oranges or mangoes?
Yes, maybe 3 oranges.
Sure, they are 150 each.
I'll take 3 then.
Would you like to try our seasonal mangoes?
How much are they?
$4 each, very sweet and juicy.
I'll take 2 mangoes, please.
Perfect. Anything else in fruits?
No, that's all for fruits.
Hi there. I'll start with 2 pounds of peaches. They look delicious.
Hello. Good choice. They're very sweet this week. Now, vegetables?
Yes, I need some fresh ones. Let's start with tomatoes and cucumbers.
Tomatoes are $2 per pound, cucumbers $1.50 each.
I'll take 3 tomatoes and 2 cucumbers, please.
Excellent. Want to add some carrots? They're really crunchy today.
Sure, 2 pounds of carrots.
How about bell peppers? I have red, yellow, and green.
I'll take 1 of each color. They'll brighten up my kitchen.
Perfect. Looks colorful already.
Onions and garlic next.
Onions are $1 per pound, garlic $3 per pound.
2 pounds of onions and 1 pound of garlic. I love cooking with garlic.
I can tell.
Potatoes?
How many pounds would you like?
5 pounds, please.
Cabbage and spinach, too?
1 cabbage and 1 bunch of spinach.
Got it. Your basket is looking healthy.
Do you have any organic vegetables?
Yes, we have organic carrots, bell peppers, and spinach.
I'll take the organic carrots.
Excellent choice. Do you have zucchini?
Yes, $2 per pound.
1 pound, please. How about an eggplant?
1 medium eggplant sounds good.
Done.
Mushrooms?
Button mushrooms, $4 per pack.
1 pack, please.
Peas?
Yes, 1 pack.
Broccoli?
1 head, please.
Celery?
1 stalk.
Lettuce?
1 head.
Green beans?
Half a pound, please.
Corn?
2 ears, thanks.
You already have cucumbers, just checking.
Ah, yes, right. Any sweet potatoes?
Sure, $2 per pound.
I'll take 2 pounds.
Great. Everything packed separately. You have quite the colorful basket today. I need milk and cheese.
Whole, skim, or almond?
Whole milk, 2 liters.
Cheddar or mozzarella?
Cheddar, 1 pack.
Want butter or yogurt too?
Yes, 1 pack of butter and 2 plain yogurts.
Flavored yogurt?
No, plain is fine.
Cream?
1 pack, please.
Cheese slices?
1 pack.
Lactose-free options?
1 liter lactose-free milk as well.
Cream cheese?
Yes, 1 pack.
All packed neatly with your fruits and vegetables.
Show me biscuits and chips.
Oreo, hide and seek, Lay's, Doritos.
1 Oreo, 1 Lay's.
Juice or soft drinks.
1 orange juice, 2 Cokes.
Energy drinks.
1 Red Bull.
Tea or coffee.
Black tea and 1 instant coffee.
Chips for kids.
Hide and seek, 2 packs.
Fruit juices.
Apple and mango, 1 each.
Chocolates.
Mars, Snickers, Kit Kat, 2 each.
Special offers. Biscuits, buy 2 get 1 free. Juice, second half price. Soft drinks, 3 for $10.
Perfect, I'll take all that.
Flavored chips.
BBQ and cheese, 1 each.
Breakfast biscuits or juice.
Hide and seek and 1 apple juice.
Kids chocolates.
1 pack each. Kinder, Hershey's, Munch.
Tea bags.
Black tea, 1 pack.
Coffee beans.
Not today.
All packed together, ready to go.
Can I pay by card?
Sure, debit or credit.
Debit, please.
Please insert your card.
Done.
Processing approved.
Thanks. Can you pack my items carefully?
Of course, paper or plastic.
Paper, please.
Done.
Everything looks great. I really like your store.
Thank you. We try our best.
Do you deliver groceries too?
Yes, within 5 kilometers. Want me to register your number?
Yes, please.
Done.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. See you next time.